Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be shooting this guy with 6 bullets, and dang it, I'll spill out of this one. I have no clue what this one is. That other one's the modulist, and yeah, this is what I'm going to be using today, these two things. I'm going to be doing a target practice on that chair. See the black dot over there? Here, I'll zoom in here. See the black dot, kind of the black dot on that chair? Yeah, you can see it better now. Okay, see that black dot? That's what I'm going to be hitting today. Full on. See if I can hit it anyways. Oh, yeah. Okay. I still got to show you this one. This one. This gun right there. Wait, that gun. It's got 4 bullets you got to reload. I'm going to be using that one today too. So I'll put them both. I think the pistol would win against this rifle because, you got to reload the rifle. And the pistol, this guy, you just got to go rapid fire. Boom, 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 boom. Right? So maybe today I'm going to be hitting that chair full on like how I always wanted. And maybe I won't, but I hope I will. I always do, but I use bigger guns. I use my shotgun. I use my mega gun, guys. I use my freaking mega gun. And it hits that full on. So if I can't hit this, I'm going to be using this one. I don't know the name. This one's a modulist. I might use my pistol. But this one, guys, I'm just going to use it first. Why not? Gonna take the clip off, gonna pop a bullet out. Yeah, pull that back. Just slip a nice bullet in there. And there you got it, guys. Friggin', I hope that hit, because I didn't even see that. Alright, so I'm gonna do what I just said. Pull it back, nice. Ay. There we go. Oh, just skimmed it. Just hit the top of it. But you know what? That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for it to go straight in the freaking middle of it. Okay. Yes! Guys! Oh, yes! Yes, that hit it. Okay, I can't fool around here, okay? I only got a short amount of time. Dude, that just hit that. Yes! Oh, no, I think that actually went off to the side. Okay. Throw this back on here. Nice. Just gonna air fire it. There you go. That's not good. I never do that. Okay, pick that up. Yeah, we got a problem. Oh, no, found them. 1, 2. You know what I hate about these Nerf guns? These ones, the other ones are good. These ones have those round tips. It sucks. It's got the round tips and it bounced right off. Watch. This one. Yeah, right? Right, that was a dud. Right, that was a dud. Right, that was a dud. Come on, shoot! That one just didn't even shoot. Well, there you have it, guys. All the bullets were shit. Okay, since that one sucked, I guess I'll just use... Here, watch out who grabbed it. This one, the mega pistol, only 2 bullets. I'm checking hit the better than that. Alright, so